resolved and decided upon.
Ensure everyone has their own seat.
Be aware, certain passages will not be accessible today due to heightened security.
Can you believe Umbridge is finally on trial?
It's about time she stands before the Wizengamot. Well, this is quite the tailback.
Not surprising with everyone here for the trial. Hello? Are you going to the trial too?
Of course, Ron. The whole Wizarding world wants to see justice served.
And we can't be late. I don't want to miss this.
Oh no! What's that?
I will do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. Confringo.
Teachers have attacked the ministry. Dolores Umbridge has escaped.
Arrest on the momentum!
Umbridge has escaped.
She's after a time turner again.
We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Warning, Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry Archives. Unexpected lift in the Ministry Archives.
There she goes. Hickory will help. Stupefy. Come after her. We won't let you stop us this time. Razzie!
Melon-headed saddle goose!
Find Umbridge!
You filthy monster!
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Stop, miss!
Now's the time turner's vote. Finish!
Bloody hell! An eruption!
Don't upset her.
Too late for that! Watch out!
Hurry! Get to the time room!
Let's get out of here before the lift explodes!
Now back to the time of Lord Voldemort. You're too late.
You can't use a broken time turner, miss.
Nonsense.
Look what you've done.
Time room is breaking apart! Stupefy!
Get out of here. We'll deal with them.
I will have order. How dare you try to stop me?
No! Now Hickory has your wand.
You must not tell lies, Professor!
Order! Order!
Hand me.
We brought you a present, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge. For your crimes, you'll spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
This is an outrage.
Take her away!
You've done well, Higgledy. Dolores and this lot will be off to Azkaban soon.
Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Granger. We all saved the ministry. Thank you, friends.
Okay, the battle at the Ministry of Magic is hands down the best attraction I've ever been on. That ride was absolute insanity.